Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Puffy mattress topper. Now if your mattress is too hard or too soft, this might be a good solution for you to get versus buying a whole new mattress. In my case, my mattress is too hard for me. I'm mostly a side sleeper, so I don't have any pressure relief. And instead of buying a brand new mattress, I decided to purchase the Puffy Soft mattress topper. So this is a 2-inch cooling memory foam layer from Puffy Mattress. And I'm going to put this on top of my mattress. I got the soft. They offer a soft and a firm. So if you have a soft bed that you would wish was a little bit harder, you can get the firm version. Me, I got the soft because my bed is too hard. So I'm going to be unboxing this and putting it on my mattress and just kind of laying down on it and giving my first impressions of it. I'm probably going to do a full review in about a week, just to give me enough time to sleep on it and really get a good opinion of it. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box and see what it looks like. Now before I go too much farther in opening this up, Puffy does offer the same, I guess you'd call it a trial period on this topper as they do with their mattress lines, which is I believe 101 nights you can get to try it out, and if you don't like it you can return it and get your money back. I'm not affiliated with Puffy. I bought this with my own money. We'll leave a link in the description directly to this product, and like I said, you can either get a soft like the one that I have, or you can get a harder one to put on a softer mattress if you'd rather have a harder mattress. So let's get this out and let's see what it looks like. I was actually expecting for it to come in a larger box, but let's get it out. It's not really all that heavy. Probably about 25 pounds, 25-30 pounds. But you can see it's wrapped up. It's rolled up and wrapped up with plastic. So we're going to cut this open. And actually before I do this, I'm going to go ahead and take the sheets off of my bed and then just spread this out over top and cut it open and get it out of the packaging. Okay, so I've got the covers poured back on my bed, and I also took the mattress protector and stuff off of the mattress. So the next thing that we're going to do is cut this open and see if we can unroll it and put it on here. I don't see a place where it's put together at, so I guess I'm just going to cut this and kind of lift up on it, cut at the same time. That way I don't cut. Be careful whenever you are cutting this, because you don't want to cut the mattress, the mattress topper itself. Now it is wrapped with more plastic up underneath this, so if you're careful you should be just fine, just like I'm doing. Alright. Remove this. Now whenever they put these in the box, this is almost like it's vacuum sealed. So whenever I cut this open and expose it to air, it should start to get larger. It should start to expand. So I'm going to start cutting this, and see what we've got. Oh, I can hear the air. I can hear it sucking the air a little bit as it was expanding. That's kind of cool, actually. Take all of this away. Let's get back over here where you can see me good. Okay, so one of the reasons why I decided to go with puffy mattress top is because a lot of mattress toppers or just have like a bungee strap from here to here just to fasten on the corners of the mattress. Well, with puffy, this actually fits over your existing mattress almost like a mattress protector would, or a cover sheet for your mattress. And what I mean by that is it has this elastic stuff that actually goes over your mattress, and it's actually quite thick, so it can go over a pretty thick mattress. But it's already raised up to its almost its full thickness, and you can see here, I mean, it's right at 2 inches, and that's what it's supposed to be. So I'm going to get this on the mattress really quickly, get it secured, and put my sheets back on it, and I'll be right back. I got the puffy mattress topper on here. I got the sheets back on, the mattress sheets back over top of it. I've still got my regular bed sheets just poured back to the back for just a moment. I'm going to lay on it here in just a minute, and just by touching it, and it's soft, it definitely feels a lot better just by me touching it with my hand than just my mattress alone. So I'm going to lay on it and kind of give you my first impressions of it, and I'll probably do a follow-up video in about a week and let you know exactly what I think about it. So let's lay down on it. Okay, one thing that I notice right whenever I get on it is it starts to conform to my body. And this is a memory foam. It's supposed to be a cooling memory foam, and it definitely is kind of conforming to my body. Laying down on my back, it feels good. It feels really good. I like it. Might turn over onto my side, which is how I predominantly sleep, and see what it feels like. Again, whenever I move over, I can feel my body start to sink in a little bit, but it's not too much. I can still move around fairly easily, But I can definitely tell there's not as much pressure on my shoulder versus just laying on my mattress alone. And that was the main thing, the reason why I got this mattress topper. Yeah, I think I'm going to sleep really good on this. So, I would recommend this to someone who is not satisfied with a mattress. Either it's too firm or it's too soft, and you want to either firm it up or soften it up. In my case, my mattress was too hard and I wanted to soften it up. I think this is going to be really good. Like I said, I'm not going to do a big review on it, a long review on it now, because obviously I haven't slept on it yet. I just put it on. I'll probably make another video going more in depth on what I actually think of this once I've slept on it for about 4 or 5 nights. But so far I'm really liking it, just on my initial impressions of laying down on it. And it is probably going to expand just a little bit more, being that it was kind of vacuum sealed in that plastic. I don't notice, or I didn't notice any type of smell at all, no odor at all. I have read on, or have seen on some other YouTube videos, but these were predominantly mattresses, so that might be a little bit different, of off-gassing and having just a little bit of odor with the mattress. But with this particular mattress topper, I don't smell anything at all. And again, this is just the topper. The mattress might be another story. But so far I'm really impressed with this. I like the way it feels. I think I'm really going to sleep good on it. And I'll be back in about a week, 4 or 5 days, with a more in-depth review and thoughts and opinions on it. And like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below that'll take you to this topper if you're interested in it. And I'm not affiliated with Puffy. I'm not getting any type of monetary benefit from Puffy or anything like that. I needed to do something, and I didn't really have the money to spend on a brand new mattress, so I elected to go with this instead. So I'll be back in about a week, 4 or 5 days, with a more in-depth review of it. Until next time, thank you. Like the video, subscribe if you like the content, and hopefully videos will get better and better as I do this more. This is obviously a new channel and only my 3rd or 4th video, I think, and this is actually my first review video. So, or I should say unboxing instead of review video. So until then, thank you, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.